Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about like Odialer. So it will save for your phone or not, and you should install this Odialer in your device or not, and what are the main problems of this Odialer. Okay, so in this video we will cover each and every information, so let's get started. So as you know very well, this is a very you can say like popular dialer in today's time. After Google, this is the most popular, you can say, like dialer. And this dialer will, you can say, like most of the people will want to know like it will save for your phones or not. So basically I want to tell you like this dialer or dialer is manufactured by Color OS. Okay, and this Color OS is a very big platform, and I want to show you some details like this is the Color OS, and you will see like there are lots of, you can say, apps by Color OS. Okay, you can see over here like basically I want to tell you like Oppo, you can say like Color OS. There is a Wikipedia of Color OS. Color OS is you can say like manufactured by Oppo. Okay, you know like Oppo is a very popular and branded operating source, you can say, color Android phone making, so you can say like brand. And they have generated this user interface for their, you can say, like phones and all. And you can also see like this, you can say, like applications by Color OS is used by their Oppo phones like Oppo Photos, and you can say like Oppo Phone Clone. And there are lots of applications developed by Color OS, and this is the same OS, you can say like this is the same, you can say like application which is developed by Color OS. Okay, so basically I want to tell you like this is a safe browser and you can use it and you can try it. The best part of this browser is like you can make like call recording without notification and all. So there are lots of benefits using this you can say like browser, or you can say like dialer. Okay, so basic thing I want to tell you like this is a 100% genuine and 100% safe, you can say, like dialer application. Okay, so you don't need to be worried about this thing like this is very old and you can say like very popular, you can say like company. Okay, so this is the information. I hope this video will helpful for you, and if yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. You can use it without any doubt. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.